Number 1. 1982 GMC Sierra 3/4 ton 6.2 other 4x4 project, $3,500. Donnelly, Idaho. This 1982 GMC Sierra Square body represents one of the most desirable heavy-duty GMC pickups of the early 1980s. Equipped with a durable 6.2-liter diesel engine, four-wheel drive, manual transmission, and an 8-foot bed, it has the rugged specification collectors and truck enthusiasts often seek. The seller notes that the engine has lost compression and the fuel pump has failed, leaving the truck non-running. However, the clean title, nice interior, and new Super Swamper tires add considerable value. Square body trucks continue to enjoy strong market demand, and this example offers an excellent foundation for a diesel restoration project with significant upside once mechanically sorted. Number 2. 1981 Chevrolet GMC Square Body C15 Stepside, $6,000, Scottsburg, Oregon. This 1981 C15 Stepside combines classic square body styling with the ever-popular stepside bed configuration. Power comes from a massive 454 cubic inch V8 backed by a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a sturdy 12-bolt rear axle. The truck reportedly starts, runs, and drives well, while additional new parts included in boxes provide extra value for future improvements. The combination of a big block engine and step-side body makes this truck more distinctive than a typical half-ton pickup. For enthusiasts seeking an affordable square body with strong performance potential, this appears to be an appealing candidate. Number 3. 1966 Ford F100, $18,000, El Paso, Texas. This 1966 Ford F100 has received numerous upgrades while retaining its classic styling. Under the hood is a 351 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission, along with desirable additions such as power steering and power brakes. Recent improvements include new wheels, tires, upholstery, glass, seals, radiator, fuel system components, and dual exhaust. The truck is reported to run well and features working gauges, making it a practical cruiser. The 1961 to 1966 Ford F-Series generation remains highly collectible, and this example offers the benefits of modern drivability while preserving much of its vintage character. Number 4. 1958 International A110, $4,500, Wichita, Kansas. The International A110 is an increasingly rare sight on today's classic truck market. This second-owner example appears to have benefited from extensive recent maintenance, including a rebuilt master cylinder, new wheel cylinders, brake hoses, fuel pump, radiator, ignition components, and tires. Powered by its original inline-six engine and manual transmission, the truck remains remarkably authentic. International pickups have developed a loyal following because of their unique styling and lower production numbers compared to Ford and Chevrolet competitors. At this price point, it represents an affordable entry into a less common segment of the vintage truck hobby. Number 5. 1948 Ford F1, $4,000, Dime Box, Texas. Known affectionately as a jail bar Ford due to its distinctive grille design, the 1948 Ford F1 is one of the most iconic post-war American pickups. This barn-find example retains its original engine and transmission and comes with a clean title. Although its condition suggests restoration work will be necessary, the truck's originality significantly enhances its appeal. Whether transformed into a traditional restoration, a rat rod, or a custom street truck, the F1 offers outstanding potential. Early post-war Ford pickups remain highly desirable because they symbolize the beginning of America's booming truck market after World War II. Number 6. 1985 Chevrolet Silverado 3/4 ton, $2,450, Spring Valley, Minnesota. This 1985 Chevrolet Silverado appears to be a straightforward restoration project. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it reportedly ran and drove well before being parked approximately 6 years ago. Rust was the primary reason for storage, which is common among trucks from this era. The Silverado trim level remains one of the most recognizable versions of Chevrolet's square body generation. Given the strong collector interest in these trucks, this affordable project could appeal to buyers looking for a budget-friendly entry into square body ownership. Number 7. 1988 GMC K1500 4x4, $5,000, Gravette, Arkansas. This GMC K1500 stands out because of the extensive mechanical restoration completed in recent years. The seller has replaced major systems, including the cooling system, suspension, steering components, brakes, fuel system, exhaust, shocks, tires, and electrical items. Such comprehensive maintenance significantly increases confidence in the truck's reliability. With four-wheel drive, a V8 engine, and the desirable GMT 400 platform, this truck offers both classic styling and everyday usability. For buyers seeking a classic pickup, they can drive regularly rather than fully restore. This example deserves serious consideration. Number 8. 1955 Chevrolet 6500, $16,000, Portland, Oregon. This Chevrolet 6500 is far more than a standard vintage work truck. The seller describes a beautifully restored 2-ton truck featuring a rebuilt small block 350 V8, 4-speed transmission with granny gear, PTO liftgate, stake sides, Bluetooth stereo, and eye-catching chrome exhaust stacks. The truck reportedly runs, drives, and brakes exceptionally well. Medium-duty trucks from the 1950s are rarely restored to this level, making this Chevrolet an unusual and attention-grabbing showpiece. Its combination of functionality and vintage charm would make it a standout at truck shows and parades. Number 9. 1951 Dodge B3B Pilot House, $18,000, Bellingham, Washington. The Pilot House series is one of Dodge's most recognizable truck designs, famous for its excellent visibility and distinctive cab styling. This B3B retains its original components, 6-volt electrical system, and manual transmission, preserving much of its factory character. Recent upgrades include new wiring, thermostat, and radiator service. With approximately 72,000 miles and a reputation for running well, this truck offers authenticity that many collectors appreciate. Original Pilot House trucks continue to gain popularity due to their rugged design and timeless appearance. Number 10. 1987 Ford Ranger STX Extended Cab 4x4 Project, $800, Seattle, Washington. The STX package was among the most desirable configurations available on first-generation Ford Rangers. This rare extended cab model features four-wheel drive, a 2.9-liter V6, automatic transmission, and reportedly less than 95,000 original miles. Although it currently has body damage, oil leaks, and a non-running condition, the lack of rust is a major advantage. First-generation Rangers have gained considerable collector interest in recent years, making this inexpensive project an intriguing opportunity for enthusiasts willing to complete the restoration. Number 11. 1983 Ford F-250, $5,000, Belen, New Mexico. This 1983 Ford F-250 is equipped with the legendary 460 cubic inch V8, one of Ford's most respected big block engines. The seller reports that the truck runs well and is fitted with nearly new tires. The combination of a heavy-duty chassis, automatic transmission, and powerful V8 makes it a capable workhorse even by modern standards. Trucks from this generation have become increasingly collectible, particularly examples equipped with the sought-after 460 engine. It appears to be a solid, usable classic pickup. Number 12. 1973 Ford F100, $9,800, Windsor, Colorado. This numbers-matching 1973 Ford F100 presents itself as a well-maintained survivor. The original 360 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission remain intact, while numerous recent maintenance items include a new carburetor, distributor, ignition components, fuel pump, and battery. The seller notes that the truck starts easily, runs well, and that all systems function properly. The 1973 model introduced Ford's 6th generation F-Series design, which remains highly respected among classic truck enthusiasts. Its originality and reported reliability make it an attractive collector vehicle. Number 13. 1979 Chevrolet C10, $15,000, Silverdale, Washington. This 1979 Chevrolet C10 combines classic square body styling with the benefits of a nearly new drivetrain. The seller reports that both the engine and transmission were replaced approximately 1,000 miles ago, while the truck's body shows 94,000 miles. Additional updates include modern LED lighting throughout. Square-body Chevrolet pickups remain among the hottest segments of the classic truck market, and examples with fresh mechanical components are especially desirable. This truck appears ready to be enjoyed immediately without major mechanical concerns. Number 14. 1979 Dodge D100, $12,500, Eagle, Idaho. This 1979 Dodge D100 is an exceptionally appealing survivor, powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 equipped with a factory-ordered 4-barrel carburetor. It reportedly runs and drives excellently and is used regularly by its owner. The truck features a clean, rust-free body, automatic transmission, and a special order history that adds interest. Although the air conditioning is currently non-functional, the system remains intact. Dodge D-Series pickups are less common than comparable Ford and Chevrolet models, making well-preserved examples like this increasingly desirable among collectors seeking something different. The low indicated mileage and strong maintenance history further enhance its appeal.